Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Thekadai. This is Vaishnavi. Today I am going to show you another Neivediyam recipe, which is Gasagasa Payasam or Poppy Seed Payasam. So let's get started. I hope you liked this video. Please do try the recipe and let me know your feedback. If you like the video, please hit thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and also share it with your friends. For more such recipes, please tune into Thekadai. I will meet you all with a new recipe. Until then, take care, bye bye, stay home, stay safe.